Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Wrench Avengers. Hey, today I've actually got the center console and everything in the truck. I'm going to be working on the shifter cable and adjusting it, although it's I'm going to have to take it all back out anyway, but I want to get it adjusted, then I can mark it where it needs to go and it'll all be good. I may not have to mess with too much after that. So let me get us in the truck and show you what's going on. Okay, so everything's in the truck right now. Don't mind this clamp here. I messed up a section of my plywood down bottom whenever I was putting it in. I'm here by myself today, so it was a little bit of a pain, but I was just gluing it back. So, got the shifter in there, got the cable. It's routed down through the bottom of the console. The console's going to have to come back out, which it's already attached, so the whole seat's going to have to come out, because I can't get to the seatbelt bolts, so there'll have to be some adjustment happening there. Anyway, so we've got the shifter in, and it's actually attached to the transmission right now. Obviously we're here in park, and we can pull it all the way back to first. And so we just want to make sure that that's all working. We'll have to tighten up our bolts here, and then down bottom we've got bolts we'll need to tighten up, and then we'll adjust from there. But so that's where we're at. Okay, excuse the lighting. I don't have the big lights because those belong to Aaron, so like I had you in the other video. So gonna tighten this guy up, and then we'll double check that everything is lining up the way we expect it to. Oop. Don't have the pan on so that we can see the rooster here. I'll show you in a different angle whenever we go to verify. But yeah, so we just want to be able to see this rooster to make sure everything's sitting where it ought to be. Okay, so here we just want to make sure that it sits flush into each of these as we go through the gears. So let me go up top and go through them and make sure that they sit where they're supposed to. Okay, so here's the routing of the cable. Comes this way, cross members there. So, comes from the transmission there, around, down back behind the frame out there, and then up into the cab through here. It's a little bit close to that exhaust, but I think it'll be okay. I might even put a heat shield on it, I'm not sure. And then that one's got to get set up away from the exhaust right here. And then we should be good to go. So I've still got a good handful of stuff that needs to get done. Basically, I need to put part of the drive shaft back on so that I can measure the distance. It's a two-piece drive shaft. I'm going to run, and so I just need to, I know I'm going to have to extend the length of one of them. Or maybe shorten? I don't remember. I'll have to look and see. Basically, I need to mock that up. I know I'm going to have to get a different yoke at least for the drive shaft. Outside of that, I think we're about good to go. Or no, actually, I got to run transmission lines for the cooler, and then put fluid in it. And I think we're getting pretty dang close to driving. I took the clutch pedal out. I don't think what else I have left to do. I've got a little bit, but it's not as daunting anymore now that the transmission's in. Things are getting finished up. I know there'll be some more stuff I got to do inside, but for now, just to get it running, we're this close. We're almost there. So Getting transmission lines ran is going to be probably one of the next things, and then drive shaft and stuff. So, all right. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe.